Video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into Tangerine. So basically Tangerine is a Bank of Canada, so it is like Canada directed bank and as a subsidiary of Scotia Bank, so it's linked with Scotia Bank. If you guys don't know Scotia Bank, then it's also known as Nova Scotia Bank, and Tangerine is connected with Nova Scotia Bank as well, which means Nova Scotia has a pretty big bank and Tangerine is linked with it, which means Tangerine is also pretty big bank. All right, so if you guys have account in this bank, there's like a lot of advantage, like a high interest rate, and for loan and for mortgage as well, they have like special interest rate as well. So go to this website to know more about it. But this video is not on that. This video is on how you guys can log in into it. Google search engine. After you do that, you want to click on Tangerine personal banking over here. After you click on it, it's going to take you to the official website of Tangerine, where you guys can sign in into your account, or in another one, log in into your account. Over here, you just want to click on log me in. Once you click on log me in, it's going to take you to its login page, and once you're in its login page, basically you can log in into your account. So yeah, that's pretty simple. So you need to wait for some time. So I'm waiting for some time over here. As you guys can see, if you guys have a personal account, you go on personal. For business, you go on business. I have a personal account, I'm gonna go on personal. You enter your login ID over here. After you do that, you just click on next, and it's gonna ask for your password of your account. And after you enter the password of your account, you're good to go. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can log in into Tangerine.